Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ruby. So today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make a twisted headband. This tutorial is so simple, so we're just going to get into it. So I have two pieces of fabric right here, so I'm going to be using this for this video. So what we have here is 10 inches by 4 inches. This one is specifically for a baby, but if you want to have a bigger headband, you can use 10 by 6 or 10 by 8. Okay, so to start, I'm going to place the right side of one fabric against the right side of the other fabric, and I'm going to join on a 1/4 inch mark. So I'm going to take this to my machine and I'll sew. So guys, this has been joined and nicely pressed, so I'm going to fold this way. So I'm going to take this to my machine and I'll stitch this on a 1/2 inch mark. Okay guys, I've gone ahead to sew this. I'm going to give it a nice press before we continue. So I'm going to press the seam open because I need this to lay flat. So guys, at this point I'm going to turn this inside out. You can use a safety pin, you can use a hook, you can use a clip, but for this video I'm going to be using my clip to turn this inside out. So this clip that I fixed at this edge is going to help push this through. That's what I'm trying to do. So this is what we have. I'm going to go ahead to iron these because I need this to be very flat. Okay, so I'm going to fold this headband this way. So I'm going to shift this a little bit away from the edge. I want this to be in the middle. So I'm going to fold this to the back and then I'll fold this one to the front. So I'll go over to my machine and stitch this on a 1/2 inch mark. If you don't have a sewing machine, you can use your needle and thread to do this. So guys, this has been nicely sewn. I'm going to trim it just to make sure it looks nice on the inside. Alright guys, so it is time to reveal what we have. So guys, this is what we have. This is a twisted headband. This tutorial is so easy and doesn't take a lot of time. I told you guys, so you can use this to rock any outfit. You can use this, for casuals, you can use it for serious dresses. It depends on how you want to rock it. All right guys, so this is all about it. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you found it interesting, and feel free to subscribe if you have not subscribed already, and also feel free to share this with your family and friends. Until next time guys, stay safe. I'll catch you all in my next video.